Imagine retiring rich even though you've had a low income your entire life. No savings, no massive inheritance, and yet you are able to live your golden years in comfort and security. It may sound like a dream, but it's a reality within reach. And guess what? Stick around to hear the secrets that have shaped millionaires from all walks of life. Number 1. Think long term. The mindset shifts everything. Warren Buffett's success hinged on one powerful mindset: thinking long term. His approach isn't about chasing quick wins or reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. He's in it for the marathon, not a sprint. Consider the story of Ronald, a Vermont janitor and gas station attendant who made just modest wages throughout his life. He wasn't wealthy by any traditional means, but he had Buffett's mindset. Reed quietly invested in stocks over decades with no rush to cash out, no panic during market downturns. When he passed away at 92, his investments had grown to a staggering $8 million. How? Through consistent, patient, long-term thinking. Buffett famously quips, "Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." This quote captures the essence of his strategy. Focus on where you want to be in 10, 20, or 30 years, rather than what you can gain today. Ronald Reed's story, like that of Buffett, demonstrates that wealth isn't a result of luck or high income. It's the product of a mindset that sees the future and makes steady, patient moves toward it. Embracing this long-term perspective can completely shift your financial trajectory, regardless of where you start. If you're enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number 2. Pay yourself first. The power of automation. Paying yourself first is a habit that can transform your financial future. Imagine this: before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries or spend on entertainment, you automatically set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. This strategy ensures that you are building your wealth first, rather than spending what's left over. A great example of this principle in action is the story of Groner. She worked as a secretary for 43 years, earning a modest salary, but she mastered the art of paying herself first. Every month, she invested small amounts in stock using her employer's stock purchase plan. By the time she passed away in 2010, her investments had grown to over $6 million. Automating your savings is key to this strategy. It takes the decision-making out of your hands, ensuring consistency. Warren Buffett is a strong advocate for this approach, emphasizing that if you wait to save after spending, you will likely have nothing left. Paying yourself first flips that logic. By making it automatic, you are ensuring your future self will benefit, just as Groner did over the decades, quietly amassing a fortune with steady, disciplined contributions. Number 3. Invest in yourself. Leverage your skills for income. Investing in yourself is one of the most powerful ways to generate long-term wealth. Think of Warren Buffett, who credits much of his success not just to his financial investments, but to the investment he made in himself early on. When Buffett took the Carnegie public speaking course, it transformed his ability to communicate effectively, giving him the confidence and skill to connect with investors and lead with authority. The idea is simple. When you improve your skills, you open new doors for earning more. Take the story of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spence. Before her billion-dollar empire, she worked in sales, but she invested in her creativity and business acumen, spending nights learning how to create and patent her product. Her investment in herself turns her into a self-made billionaire. By continuously improving and expanding your skills, you position yourself to earn more, whether through promotions, new opportunities, or side ventures. It's the ultimate leverage. Investing in yourself compounds over time, just like any good financial investment, but with far greater control over your future. Number 4. Live below your means. Mastering frugality like Buffett. Living below your means is a principle Warren Buffett has championed throughout his life. Despite his billionaire status, Buffett still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958, and he famously drives a simple car. This frugality isn't about denying oneself, but about making smart financial choices that align with long-term goals. Take the story of the Johnson family from Omaha, Nebraska, who adopted Buffett's frugal mindset after attending one of his public talks. Despite their modest income, they focused on spending less than they earned, avoiding debt and investing wisely. Over time, their disciplined approach allowed them to build a substantial emergency fund and make investments that grew their wealth. Buffett's own journey is a testament to this practice. He started with modest means and built his fortune by living below his means, reinvesting his savings and avoiding unnecessary expenses. By mastering frugality, Buffett not only preserved his wealth but also created a robust financial foundation that allowed him to invest wisely and achieve extraordinary success. This approach proves that financial independence starts with the simple yet powerful practice of living below your means. Number 5. Invest in compound interest. The real magic, compound interest, is one of the most powerful forces in wealth creation, and Warren Buffett has harnessed it to perfection. The magic of compounding lies in its exponential growth. The longer your money stays invested, the more it multiplies. Buffett famously started investing at age 11, not with vast sums, but with a mindset focused on time. Take the story of Grace Groner, a secretary who invested $180 in Abbott Labs stock in 1935. She left her investments untouched for decades, allowing compound interest to work its magic. By the time she passed away in 2010, her initial investments had grown to an astonishing $7 million. This isn't just about making a single smart decision, it's about patience and consistency. Whether you are starting with $10 or $10,000, the real magic happens over time as each dollar earns interest, which earns even more interest. This is the power behind long-term wealth accumulation. Number 6. Diversify your income. Build multiple streams. Relying on just one source of income can be risky. If that stream dries up, your entire financial stability could be jeopardized. That's why diversifying your income is crucial. Warren Buffett himself is a master of this principle. Although he made his fortune through investing, his wealth comes from multiple income streams, including businesses, dividends, and real estate. Each stream supports the others, creating a safety net. Take the story of Chris Gilbrow, a best-selling author and entrepreneur who started multiple income streams from scratch. He began with side gigs such as blogging and freelance work, while maintaining a full-time job. As his side ventures grew, he eventually turned them into sustainable businesses. Now, Chris earns money from writing books, online courses, speaking engagements, and more. This diversity allows him to weather financial storms while growing his wealth consistently. Building multiple streams of income doesn't mean you have to juggle thousands of jobs. It's about creating channels of revenue that complement your primary focus. Whether it's starting a side business, investing in stocks, or renting out property, diversifying creates resilience. This approach transforms your financial landscape into one with stability and growth opportunities, ensuring you're always moving forward, even in uncertain times. Number 7. Give back. The power of generosity. Generosity is more than just a noble act. It can have a profound impact on your own life. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, pledged to give away 99% of his fortune to charitable causes. His belief is simple: true wealth comes not just from accumulating money, but from making a difference in the lives of others. This mindset has not only shaped his legacy, but has also brought him deep personal fulfillment. A powerful example of giving back is seen in Oprah Winfrey. Growing up in poverty, she rose to become one of the most influential figures in the world. Despite her wealth, Oprah has always prioritized giving back, whether through scholarships, schools in Africa, or her countless philanthropic efforts. This generosity has fueled her success, deepened her influence, and inspires millions. When you give back, you create a ripple effect. It not only enriches the life of others, but enhances your own sense of purpose and fulfillment. As Buffett and Oprah have shown, generosity is a vital key to living a truly rich life. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.